So today we are going to see a no yeast donut recipe. It's really tasty and easy, so do try it. And also there's renovation going in my neighbor's house, so there's lot of background noise, so please adjust it. And now let's take a look at the recipe. One and a half cups of maida, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, half a teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup oil, and grated nutmeg, half a teaspoon. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to your milk. If you don't have vinegar, you can also use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and give it a good mix and let it sit on a counter for 5 minutes. Now in a bowl I am adding 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, which is maida, half a cup of sugar, half tablespoon baking soda, and then pinch of salt. Now give it a good mix. Now we'll grate our nutmeg into the dry ingredients. Half a tablespoon of nutmeg is enough. Now we'll add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. First we are going to add 1/4 cup of oil and a half a cup of curdled milk gradually, and then make a fine dough out of it. Now when the dough is formed, just take a little bit of oil into your hand and knead the dough again for 1 minute. Then cover the dough and let it rest for 40 minutes. Now it's been 40 minutes, the dough has rested. It will not rise like yeast dough does, but it will be softer. So again knead it for 1 minute. Now take a half portion of the dough, spread some all-purpose flour onto the counter, and then roll it with a rolling pin. Then for the shape of the donut, what I am going to do is, I have taken a big bowl and then a small bowl. You can use donut cutter if you have one, or not, you can just use a big bowl or a cap of the bottle as well. and then carefully put the donut onto a plate. Now do the same for the rest of the dough and make donuts. Now in a kadhai, take some oil for frying the donuts. If you are afraid of hot oil or directly putting your donuts into the oil, what you can do is you can just take your spoon, then spread some oil over it like shown in the video, and then remove the excess oil, put your donuts onto the spoon, make sure that shape is okay, and then just flip the spoon into the oil, but make sure that spoon is really close to the oil so that oil doesn't spill. Now fry your donuts onto a medium flame and then flip it when it's bubbly and fluffy. When the donuts are golden brown, you can remove it and do the same for the rest of the donuts. Now onto the double boiler system, we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil into a kadhai and 2 dairy milks, 10 rupees each, and then we'll melt it. Now for the garnishing, just dip your donuts onto the chocolate sauce that we just made and put some sprinkles onto it. So if you don't have sprinkles like me, it's lockdown so I didn't get any sprinkles, what I have done is I just taken the gems and crushed it. It looks really beautiful because they are also colorful, so you can use it.